Every 23 minutes, a new shipment arrives. 500,000 pounds of raw aluminum, cobalt,
Aerospace-grade 7075 aluminum, the same alloy used in landing gear for commercial aircraft. Each build,
17 elements must fall within exactly 0.001% of Apple's specification. Any deviation, the entire batch is rejected. Tonight, all 17 pass.
Mesmerizing, 47 meters high, or hypnotic, and by 5 of the sleeps, never the mistakes.
8,000 components per minute, analyzed in 3,000ths of a second. A single microscopic scratch, invisible to the human eye, is a capital offense here.
Cobalt from the Democratic Republic of Congo, lithium from Chile, rare earth elements from China, aluminum.
In 8 seconds, the factory transforms from storage to full production.
47 5-axis CNC machining centers, each removing exactly 67% of the original.
8 to 6 microscopic connectors engage simultaneously with zero margin for error. The logic board, the brain of the iPhone 16.
From 20 degrees to 180 and back in 8 seconds. Metal made to forget its violent birth, ready to hold perfection. For the first time, it reveals itself. Not purple, not yet finished, but unmistakable. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has found its form.
47 lines, 3.2 kilometers of precision machinery, 120 chassis per minute per line.
2 meters a second, 5,640 chassis per minute. At this speed, the
47 lines become 4. 400,000 chassis per hour converge, accelerate, and race toward the moment they will become purple. Acid opens microscopic doors across the aluminum surface. After this, nothing will ever look the same. Silver becomes purple. Not painted, not coated, reborn. The iPhone 16 Pro Max reveals its true identity at last.
147 laser pulses, 0.02 millimeters deep. The Apple logo is born. Perfect, permanent, unmistakable.
98 degrees Celsius seals the transformation. Purple now, purple forever. The color will outlast everything else. Plasma fire deposits an armor invisible to the eye. Fingerprints? Rejected. Smudges? 0.1 Newton of force. Zero surface contact after placement. These robots handle purple like museum curators handling a masterpiece.
24 eyes, 1,000 frames per second, 2 million memories. Nothing escapes. Nothing.
147 measurements, 0.001 millimeter tolerance. This is not quality control. This is geometry becoming law.
Apple Purple Standard P247. Not close, not similar. Exact. Every unit, every day, forever.
0.001 millimeter particle detection. If it should not be there, it will not pass. Period.
99.97% pass rate. 37,000 units inspected per hour. The dashboard never lies.
5,640 perfect purple units per minute. Quality confirmed. The river flows toward you.
12,000 purple units in reserve. When packaging pauses, production never does. Intelligence flows as smoothly as aluminum.
2 tons of paper, 100% recycled, feeding into machines that will cradle purple perfection. Nothing wasted, ever. 94 units per second, 1 per box, 0 errors. The count must be perfect before the box can close.
Every centimeter, every logo, every shade of purple verified. If the box is not perfect, the product never enters it.
Microfiber, static-free, 0 contact damage. The purple surface will meet nothing but softness before your hands.
4 lines, 1 rhythm, 0.01 second tolerance. Synchronization so precise, the machines breathe together.
Ahead, the machines wait. Open, ready, hungry for purple.
12,000 staged, 5,640 moving, 4 machines receiving. The river has reached the sea. Packaging begins now.
Flat paper becomes purple box in 1.2 seconds. The vessel that will carry perfection takes shape. 0.1 millimeter clearance, 0 surface contact. Purple meets purple, and perfection finds its home. The lid closes. The seal applies. From this moment until your hands open it, the box has never been touched.
1 logo,
One position, one color, verified 100 times per second. Brand perfection, box after box. 48 individual boxes, one outer carton, 8 seconds. The logo on the outside guarantees the perfection within. Batch code, serial number, production date, destination. Every carton tells its story. Every story is recorded forever.
5,640 purple boxes per minute. A river of apple flowing toward the world. This is scale without compromise.
Apple Purple, iPhone 16 Pro Max. The box that holds perfection. Your hands, one day, will open it.
48 cartons, 8 layers, 90 seconds. Apple logos facing every direction. Perfection from every angle.
4 sides, one identity. Global traceability. From this pallet to you. Every step recorded. 50 vehicles, 5mm precision, 0 collisions. Choreography at industrial scale. The pallets never stop moving. 30 meters high, 40,000 pallets. Retrieval in under 3 minutes. The warehouse breathes inventory like lungs breathe air. 500,000 units, 0 manual counting. AI predicting demand before it exists. The warehouse thinks faster than humans blink. Production stops. Water runs. Steam rises. The factory breathes out, preparing to breathe in again.
1,500 pounds per square inch. Rotating brushes. 0 residue. The lines become cleaner than before production began.
2 degrees above baseline. 342 hours until predicted failure. Repairs scheduled before the problem exists. Digital twin. Physical verification. Human oversight. 3 layers of certainty before a single switch is flipped.
Darkness to light, silence to symphony. The factory never finishes. It only begins again. 40,000 solar panels, 12 wind turbines, 100% renewable. The factory runs on air and light.
Aluminum to ingot, glass to glass, cardboard to cardboard. Here, waste is simply raw material waiting for its next life.
92% reused, 0 discharged. Every drop of water in this factory has lived many lives.
12/7 parameters, 47 lines, 3 humans. AI runs the factory. Humans guide its purpose.
Confirmed.
42% reduction achieved, 8 years ahead of target. The road to carbon neutral is not a promise. It is a path already walked.
What you are seeing does not exist yet. In this room, next year's iPhone is already being built.
Trial run complete, quality verified. The next generation is no longer future. It is here, waiting for its moment.
From raw aluminum to this, the journey ends where every journey should, with perfection, ready for your hands.
8 hours compressed to 8 seconds. Raw becomes refined. Aluminum becomes Apple. The journey, complete. Trucks, ships, aircraft, 140 countries, 500,000 units, all moving at once. The world is receiving.
Glass display, wooden table, perfect light. After a journey across the world, Purple waits for one thing, your hand.
After the factory, after the journey, after everything, this is why. This moment, your hands. Purple, finally home.
Midnight, no lights off, no lines stopped. While you sleep, the factory works. Tomorrow's Purple is being built right now. The factory never stops. Neither does the story. Subscribe to see what becomes of tomorrow's Purple.